Hello everyone, my name is Christopher Catta and I'm the Director of Sales and Marketing at TrialStat Solutions Inc. As you all know, DIA has gone virtual this year and we're looking forward to meeting with all of you. As part of our presence this year, we're hosting a live webinar titled Leveraging the Power of Interoperable eClinical Technology to Run Efficient Clinical Trials. You can register for the webinar by scanning this QR code or simply visiting trialstat.com/webinar. And we've scheduled the event for June 18th at 11 a.m. Eastern. Together with our partners Fujifilm, TerraMedica, and Simple Trials, we'll be exploring how sponsors can manage their entire portfolio of studies in a cost-effective, scalable, dynamically linked ecosystem designed to overcome the complexities of today while future-proofing their investments for the challenges of tomorrow. Join myself, Chris Hamlin, Bill, and John for this exciting webinar. TrialStat was founded in 2003, and we are exclusively an eClinical technology company. At our core of our platform is our EDC services called TrialStat, and it's offered as a software as a service solution hosted in our data center. TrialStat is a single sign-on and multi-tenant solution, so you only have one URL and username and password to access the entire system. In addition to that, we provide study design and validation services, and we can build studies in a 2 to 4 week time frame. We also provide project management, as well as custom validated software development, and lastly, designer training and certification so that you can insource our technology and manage and build your own studies. One of the unique differentiators for TrialStat is our focus on interoperability and our ability to allow sponsors and CROs to run entire clinical programs from preclinical, so feasibility studies or proof of concepts, all the way through phase 1, 2, and 3, and then into post-marketing. We also support the unique requirements of medical device studies, diagnostics, and surveillance studies. Integrated within our platform is randomization, medical coding, ePRO, CTMS. We are fully eSource compliant. You can track and manage your serious and adverse events, and as well as generate your regulatory forms. We provide all of our reporting and analytics in real time, and that includes our data extracts. And of course, we manage imaging through our vendor-neutral imaging archive tied into Adjudication. And lastly, we provide a very robust API for connecting into any third-party system to bidirectionally share data as required. I just want to give you a quick overview of the entire TrialStat platform. At the core, as I mentioned, is our EDC technology, hosted entirely in our data center. And through our single sign-on multi-tenant solution, we provide access to the platform for sites, contract research organizations, sponsors, data managers and monitors, and of course core labs and anyone else who is involved in a clinical trial. TrialStat is fully eSource compliant, so that sites may do their data entry directly into EDC through a tablet, or they can actually push data from their EMR directly into EDC. We also provide an ePRO component so that we can capture patient-reported outcomes, and through our API, we can connect into any third-party ePRO system that you may require. On the imaging side, through our VNA, we can capture site imaging directly from the site or from the core lab, route it into our environment, de-identify it, and then make it available for adjudication. Post-trial, these imaging data sets can be aggregated in the VNA and combined with other imaging assets that we've licensed from third parties, and we can work on bespoke machine learning programs with those imaging data sets. On top of this, through our robust API, we can connect into any other EHR or EMR system, as well as any other third-party system to either capture data or share clinical trial data out to that system, such as with a CTMS platform. In addition to this, we also work with validated medical wearable device companies to curate their technology and integrate it into the TrialStat platform so that we can capture vital signs on a continuous basis as an example. This also extends to the category of SAMD technology, so software as a medical device technology, where we can license these algorithms, integrate them into the TrialStat platform, and then make them available for our CRO and sponsors to actually design these technologies into their clinical programs. And lastly, Through our reporting and analytics portal, we provide robust roll-up dashboards providing you with a complete overview of the progress of your entire clinical program, including clinical trial data that might be in other EDC technologies. Thank you, and we look forward to meeting with all of you at DIA.